Welcome to one of the most unique Lake of the Ozarks log cabins to ever hit the open market. I'm Sierra Grind with the Grind team, and I'm excited to show you yet another one of our luxury lakefront listings. We are conveniently located on the 8-mile marker, most commonly known as Buck Creek Cove into Stillwater Bay. And now for your favorite part, let's go take a look. This home features 2,900 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths on 3 levels. The quality of craftsmanship is evident the moment you step into this amazing home. Now see for yourself. Property offers protected shoreline with large enough open water for all of your water sport needs without having to go out onto the main channel. You'll fall in love with the west-facing sunset views from your upper patio overlooking the Stillwater Bay. Or maybe you'll spend your evenings floating in the pristine 30-foot deep water off your private dock. You'll fall in love with the nature that surrounds you when you're at the lake, that makes you feel like you're 1,000 miles away. Yet you're in the heart of it all by land and by water. Now call the Grind team today to schedule your private showing.